Welcome back, folks. Dow's up 54, Nasdaq's up 24, S&Ps are up by 3.5. S&Ps just can't handle it, folks. Can't handle it. King Dollar's getting that little destruction going down 549 at 94.930. Euro is breaking out a topside 115.24. The yen is at 108.22, getting strong. All you need now is for this pound to break out, and it's really close, at 127.67. And it couldn't be a better day to get our man, Mr. Teddy Kekstadt, on.
We got some action in those Forex markets.
No doubt. And, folks, you can check out Teddy every trading day at forex-trading-unlocked.com. Teddy Kekstadt, what's happening, brother?
Oh, it's a cold day in Chicago right now. We had some nice weather over the holidays, and now we're back to winter time. So, but what a great day for us to talk about the currencies, though, huh?
Oh, baby. I'm telling you, man. You know, it looks to me, this is, you know, that dollar, the index in general, was trying to, I mean, the bulls and bears have been fighting since October 24th. It looks to me like the bulls just lost.
I agree.
Yeah. I mean, this is we'll see whether it gets to 92, but it's a decisive move. There's no doubt about that, and it's not stopping right now. You know?
Well, we have this big breakout with the euro right now, which is fantastic because that's really edging. You know, we were talking about the Swiss for the past couple of weeks, how that might be the indicator that the dollar was finally going to turn.
Yes.
And I think we're seeing that with this new real first week trading week of the year that the dollar has turned.
Yes. Yeah. No, it's a big one, and you know It looks like the pound, Teddy, the pound just laying right at the top of that trend. I mean, if the pound goes too, it's going to be like, wow. I mean, you know, as you said last week,
that's going to be the gas on the flame, without a doubt, to ignite a bigger move.
Yeah. It's pretty wild, man. Once they stop moving, man. I mean,
like I said,
and it's going to be. You got to realize too, the Fed speak is totally changing now over here.
Yes.
You have the end of quantitative easing over in Europe, which means that the parity, you know, the carry trade, or rather, has totally changed. And we talked about that months ago, how that would start to come into play in the new year.
Right.
And I think that's also driving this dollar bear also.
Yeah. Pretty cool, man. There's no doubt. I mean, that's a lot of movement, man. You know what's so cool about the currencies, how they're moving? It seems you can get a little bit more probability when they're all moving like this, because what has happened is that they've all been at inflection points. It seems like that's it. They all turned, you know. And I think when I look at the euro, I like what happened. What happened here, folks, is this. I really like what happened actually January 2nd. You know, because what had happened, folks, is that, Teddy, you see how remember that the euro, it looked like it was going to break out, and then it smoked everyone on the way down, and now all of a sudden you're above it again. Do you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It was a trap.
Yeah, right. And it seems like when you do get larger moves and changes, that happens quite a bit. You know,
Sure.
Right before it's going to go, you say, oh, it's going to go, and then bang, it doesn't go.
And then there comes the big reversal.
And then here it comes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, and we've seen this inflection point now, like we've been talking about the interest rates too over the past couple of weeks, how the market was going lower while the Fed was talking about still possibly hiking, and that, you know, the Fed speak now is getting wishy-washy with no one knowing whether they may even cut rates. That makes that come from. That just came out. You know?
Quite a change, right?
Well,
Absolutely.
Paul's remarks were strong when he was talking with Bernanke and and Yellen.
Yeah.
Strong remarks in terms of patience, not on autopilot, balance sheet, all that stuff.
Yeah. No, I like how he speaks, man. I think he has some pretty good clarity.
The market listened that day, for sure.
They listened both days. They didn't like what he said the first time. They liked what he said the second time.
And he was direct the first time, which is what made the second time so startling.
He was.
Yeah.
I know.
And how about this gold rally, too?
Oh, I like
this metal rally. I think that's also going to hold this dollar bear in check as well.
You know, Ted, you know, it's wild, man. And when I was looking at gold, man, if gold can take out this consolidation, that's saying to me that gold could actually go to its highs again, which would be a mind blower, man. But it would make sense because we've been in a consolidation for 6 years. It's like, okay, how long you been in a solid consolidation for?
Yeah, right.
You know,
Sure.
There's not much.
Base is there.
It is. And you know, it would be a shocker, folks. The thing that's cool about this is that you know, of course, we're always looking at it, but people haven't been looking at gold for years. You know, and when you take this and when you look at it, that consolidation, so that brings you back, 2013.
It's crazy how time flies.
That's 5 years,
Yeah.
2013.
It's 6 years. I hate to break it to you. We're in 2019.
Okay, 6 years.
I did the same
Seriously.
thing in my head. That's why, why goodness, that's 6 years, right?
Because what had happened, folks, from 2002 to the high in 2011, we did a 50% retracement. It's like, that's a normal retracement in a market that can go higher, you know?
We did it over 8 years.
Sure.
Yeah. You know?
Yeah.
That's, so the number to keep your eye on, I think, you know, it's going to be that 1370, 1380. You break that, guess what? There's
we haven't been there since 2013.
No.
That alone should be something you pay attention to.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And watch the industrial demand numbers for gold too. I think that's going to be a really key indicator over the next few months. If that remains high, which it should, that's going to support the market as well.
You know what they had? You got to read this article, folks. I didn't read the whole article this morning. There is a hilarious article in the Wall Street Journal this morning, and what it's about in the Middle East right now, right? They have this deal about putting gold flakes in food, and people are buying it, right? And it's saying how disgusting it is, but they keep buying it and they're selling it. They're selling flakes and they're eating them.
Don't we have Goldschlager, right? The alcohol. You ever see that? They get flakes of gold. Americans get it done too. We're just different.
My God.
It's a way back to Goldschlager.
Yeah, right. Me too. Thank goodness.
Oh.
It's a college.
Yeah.
Favorite.
You know, it's one of the Tigers. I still have it at home. One of the Tigers.
I remember, because gold, but you can't help. They gave him some Goldschlager, right, Teddy? It's like...
I still have it from 2001.
Yeah.
You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Listen, folks, every trading day, you can check out Teddy at forex-trading-unlocked.com. Well, listen, man, it's always a pleasure. You stay warm. We look forward to speaking to you next Wednesday, and by next Wednesday, the dollar will probably be down at 92. And we'll see
the euro up at 116, 117.
Oh, yeah, I mean that's.
I like it. We're going to play the highlight reel come next week. Perfect. We'll have that.
Did we didn't talk to you about that crash though, huh? That what was that? 7 minutes when the yen went down to 104 the other day.
Oh, how about that? That was ridiculous.
Oh man, that was sick.
Unreal. Unreal.
That was unreal.
Yeah.
Listen, man, you have
machine age, right?
Huh?
The machine age.
Yeah, the machine age. Oh, that pass off was dangerous, man.
All the orders, all at once.
Yeah, not good. Okay, listen, you have a great one, a safe one, Teddy. Appreciate the update and stay warm.
See you next week.
Thanks, Teddy.
Thanks, man.
Take care.
Okay.